Good morning, students. Our topic in the chapter Supersenses today is sleeping and waking, and we'll be discussing about the sleeping and waking patterns of the animals today. You know, children, some animals go into a long, deep sleep in certain seasons. Then they are not seen for many months. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? I am introducing two terms here. First is hibernation and second is estivation. So, what is hibernation and what is estivation? Hibernation is winter season sleep. Okay, and estivation is summer season sleep. When an organism passes the winter or the summer season period in dormant condition without doing anything, then these sleep conditions are named. Hibernation is winter sleep and estivation is summer season sleep. Okay, in these periods the organisms, they pass the whole season in dormant condition. They do not do anything in these seasons. I have some examples of animals who hibernate. Examples of animals who hibernate are like bats, insects, bees, reptiles, some amphibians also. And estivation, the summer sleep, is done by crocodiles, salamanders, lungfishes, etc. Okay. Okay, students. Now I am going to tell you about an animal whose name is sloth. There is a story about this animal. What is a sloth? Have you heard the name of this animal called sloth? Okay. It looks like a bear, but it is not. Okay. It spends almost 17 hours a day. Can you imagine? It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. And the sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. Can you imagine this? When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to the nearby tree. And a sloth lives for almost 40 years. And in this period of 40 years, it has moved to only approximately 8 trees. So, such a lazy animal it is. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Relieve itself means to attend nature's call. Okay. Now I have an exercise for you. Since I have told you that sloth sleeps for 17 hours a day, you have to make a sleep pattern chart for sloth like this. If it is a clock, we can divide it into different compartments, time frames like this. You will also do the same thing in your notebook. Okay. These are the spokes. Now what we have to do is, since sloth sleeps for 17 hours, if we'll mark one of this portion and consider it to be 2 hours, then this will be marked 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and since it is 17, we'll divide this into half and then we'll color this. So this is the sleeping pattern of a sloth. Understood? Like this, you have to draw a clock type thing, a circle, and then you have to mark the things. Similarly, if I know that a giraffe sleeps only for 2 hours in a day. Okay, I'll again make a clock type thing. I'll divide it into 24 hours. I divided it. Since it sleeps for only 2 hours, you have to just color 2-hour portion. Okay, this is the sleeping pattern for a giraffe. Now, what I am giving you is an assignment. You have to draw the sleeping pattern for a cow, for a python, I'm telling you that a cow sleeps for approximately 4 hours a day. A python sleeps for approximately 18 hours. Okay. Cat sleeps for 12 hours a day. So you have to make sleeping patterns like I have drawn for sloth and giraffe for these three also. Okay. Thank you.